safety, please direct your attention to the crew in front of you who will demonstrate the proper donning of the life pouch under your seat. Situation calls for its use, slip it over your head. The straps around your waist, adjust at the front. For additional security, the collar straps as well. Life jacket ay nakabalot at matatagpuan sa ilalim ng inyong upuan. Kakailangan gamitin, isuot ito mula sa ulo. Ipaikot sa katawan ang tali at higpitan sa harap. Sa karagdagang seguridad, itali din ang strap na nasa bandang leeg. Whistle and a small light are attached on the left side of your life jacket. You can use the whistle to call attention, while the light will help in making you visible, especially